Today I'm going to show you how to start toning your abs with the reverse crunches, the ideal form, acceptable, and what to avoid. Let's begin by you lying down on a mat. Extend your whole body, keep your legs and feet together. Now what you want to do is bring your knees all the way to your chest, lifting your hips off the floor, crunching as far as you can. And then you want to extend your legs, controlling your legs' weight, and set your feet down to the floor. And then you want to repeat. If you have some lower back pain, putting your hands under your hips can alleviate some of that pain. Try that and keep the form that we just talked about. If you don't have the strength to pick up your hips from the floor, at least bring those knees to your chest. This form is acceptable. It makes it easier, but you can still work your abs like that until you get strong enough to lift your hips. When your legs are together, your abs need to work hard to bring your knees up to your chest. If you bring one leg first, you're cheating, you're making it way easy. So make sure you keep your legs together. This exercise is like weightlifting, like curling, rowing, chest pressing. You want to control the eccentric movement. So don't drop your feet, don't drop your legs when you come into the eccentric movement, when you're extending your legs. Otherwise, you defeat the purpose of the exercise because you're not putting the strength to control those legs and work your abs. So once again, don't drop your feet. Let's go over and highlight main points. Pick up your hips to get the full workout. If you get some lower back pain, put your hands under your hips. If it's too difficult, if you can't lift your hips, only bring your knees to your chest. Keep feet together and don't bring one leg before the other one. Control your legs' weight and don't drop them. Continue following us and subscribe to our channel for more videos.